I got your plan open. Thanks for sharing it in my copy of X11. And I did a little looking around. Here's what I found. I got a camera open. Yeah, showing that dip in there. What I did was I went over here to all layers off, and I turned just elevation data on. So that's the only thing on the plant. So you got an elevation region here, and here's the problem. You got this modifier right next to another modifier. That's a no-no. So what I'm going to do is put a little separation there between the two. I'm going to copy this one to the other side. And again, leave a little separation there. And then see, I haven't checked this beforehand, so we're going to find out together. I'm going to go back to the camera view and see, bingo. That already ameliorated the situation a little bit. I'm going to separate this a bit more. You just don't want to put elevation datums real close together if they're in different values. Okay, that's made it worse. Okay, I'd call that good enough. But once I saw that those elevation datums were close together, that's what I figured was wrong. See, we got a little, whoops, a little bit of, damn it, a little bit of a dip here. Let's see if we can ameliorate that. It's going to try to come in a little bit closer, but you just don't want to have them touch and cross like you had them. Okay, so yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, that's what I figured out. I hope this helps. Have a good day.